Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, you guys. If you're having a bad hair day, a big hat is the best investment you could ever invest in. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Sheree. Welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. Here on this channel, I encompass many different things: fashion, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, you name it, we have it. I can guarantee you it is always going to be fabulous. You can tell by the title of this video, this is an unboxing, but you already know what it is. It is the infamous Toiletry 26 from Louis Vuitton. I was super excited to get my hands on this, and I cannot wait to share with you my quick little story time on how I got my hands on this. You guys, here's the box. It's huge. It takes over. Whoa! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Take two. Okay. So here's the unboxing. Here's the ribbon. You guys know I'm not good at this kind of stuff. You know, taking my time to take it. I have like no patience. I am just going to open it, okay? So here it is. Actually, I don't have a box this size though, so I was really excited to get a box this size. For such a small thing, they put it in such a huge box. But nevertheless, I'm super excited. So here it is. I do love the packaging of this. I love this orange starburst, kind of goldish yellow it's got going on here. And here is the dust bag it came in itself. And I feel like I have so much lipstick on my teeth. Look at these curls. Seriously? I'm here for them. Okay. Here it is. How cute is this? Okay, so I've caught, if you know, I always say on Instagram, on Snapchat, I'm very vocal, and so that's why I'm always putting like, I can't find this. If anybody knows how to get their hands on this, please let me know. I had a girlfriend reach out to me and she's like, you probably are not gonna get it. It is one of the hottest items, and you know, it's supply and demand, and it's definitely in demand. And so I was searching high and low, you guys. I called Vegas, I called New York, I live here in LA. I kept going on the website. I was up at like 1 o'clock in the morning. I would go at 4 o'clock in the morning. I would go at 6 o'clock in the morning, right when I woke up, before I went to bed. And all I kept seeing were those two words: sold out. Oh, and I was like, I'm never gonna get it. So this past weekend, we took a trip to Rodeo, and you know, I'm like, well, let's just, I have things on my wish list from Louis Vuitton, but you know, they're not pressed, they're just there, but you know. But I'm like, okay, let's go in. And so we go in, and so I meet a guy, and his name is Sean. I love that name, Sean. But I meet a guy named Sean, and I'm like, hey, do you have, you know, Toiletry 26, or do you have the Petite Mochesse? What is it? I don't know. One of those other famous bags that I can't seem to get my hands on and find anywhere, but I was really looking for this. And he's like, no, we don't have it. And he's like, well, hold on, let me go and get your name, and let me get your information, and then I'm gonna put your name on the list, and we can add you to the list, and as soon as something come in, you know, we'll call you. But you know, it's highly unlikely because we have a long list, and you know, there are many people on the list, but nevertheless, we'll add you to it. So here's the story. I go to the restroom. I told my husband we'll stay here. When they come back, give them the information. So we're standing there. I go to the restroom. I come back. Long story short, my husband had, you know, chatted up with the new associate, a new sales associate that had come to help us. And he's like, let's play a trick on my wife. Well, first he told him something, and then he goes, let's play a trick on my wife. So they go and do whatever they're saying, and so I come back down, and the guy looks at me, and I'm like, oh, okay, so can you add my name to the list? And he goes, I'm sorry, we can't add your name to the list. What? He goes, I guess by the way that I looked and how I probably said what, he probably was like, okay, this is a joke, let's bring it to an end. And then I said, why can't you add my name to the list? And he's like, well, I can't add your name to the list because I haven't. And I was so excited. So that's my story time, you guys. You know what this is, you've seen it. I just wanted to share. Don't give up, go to the stores, call, keep searching, keep looking. If you want it, you will get it. This is one canvas that goes from this side all the way around to this side. So it's just one piece here. It has the buttery zipper here that unzips. It's totally a nice piece of canvas inside, same material. It's easy to wipe, easy to clean. I haven't even used it yet. I have nothing in there. I cannot wait to fill it up. It's a nice, I don't even know what you call this type of material. It's a toiletry bag. So it's easy to just take one of those little wet wipes or a nice little white clear sponge and just wipe it. I am going to use this for toiletries. I am going to use this as a small clutch. I am going to use this in the spring, in the summer, in the winter, in the fall. I will not be, okay, here's what I won't be doing with this. I will not be putting any chains on it and making it a crossbody. That's just not my purpose for this. I will not be tying it with any bands and putting it on as a fanny pack. That's just not what I'm gonna use it for. And this could be like, if you're just starting off, this could be the perfect clutch. $4.45 is not cheap, but it's not like overly expensive. It's a great entry into the brand, into a nice clutch, and I think it's so versatile. It goes with everything. So that's it, you guys. If you were not able to get your hands on this, do not give up. It is a lovely, lovely, lovely piece. There's not a whole lot to it. Like I said, it's just one piece of the canvas going all the way around. Nice buttery zipper here in the middle, and it does have the made in France sign here and the Louis Vuitton there. So I love it. I wanted to get my hands on it. I think it's gonna work and be so versatile in my collection. It's a super great piece to add to my collection. I think it's very classic. It's so chic. It's so elegant. It's all the words that I love. It's everything that I encompass, and I actually love it. So keep checking. Do not go buy it's sold out. It's sold out. Go in the store, call, do whatever you need to do. You keep it. Keep pressing for it, you will get it. And I think it's a fabulous piece to have in your collection. So until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. But until then, be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh no, I'm kidding. Bye.